Hi and welcome to my crafting videos. And these videos I'm gonna show some different projects that I do myself. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel or give a thumbs up. Today I'm gonna show you how easily you can make your own spectacular egg candle. What you need is some empty eggshells, something to hold them in, like an egg carton, a yellow candle, preferably a tapper or something like it. You also need a chunk of white candle. First, start by cutting off the wicks. You start by melting the white candle over a water bath. The candle melts at 60 degrees, so you don't need to boil the water. It will take some time. When it's all melted, remove all wicks so they don't get in the way when you make the candles. I put some whitening into the mass so it will make the eggs even whiter. Now you can cut the tapper candle into the required length and carefully place them inside the eggshell. Gently pour the melted candle around the tapper candle, and you might need to top it off a bit when it's hardened, since the wax shrinks a bit when cooling down. Wait until all cool down, and now you can light the candle and enjoy them at your Easter dinner. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe down below.